most of the hotel we know is already fully booked, and it means many tourists are here. So let's look. What is it called? Alona 42 Resort.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna check that out. See you next time. See you next time. See you in a bit.
How's that for a mess? So all of our usual places to stay are fully booked. Got one room at Vanilla Sky last night. So we're gonna try a new one called Alona 42 Resort.
So the room is 3.8 for standard room.
3,800 pesos for standard. Okay.
Yeah, one bed, and for Mira, she's already 10. Extra 1,000 for her.
That's a lot of extra.
Because she said
Usually
it's for the mattress, extra mattress, and extra mattress and breakfast. If the standard is king's bed, we don't need the extra mattress. Right? Kaya nga. If they offered already the extra mattress, it means 3 is not.
Normally they charge like around 500 for an extra mattress
Bed is
or extra bed.
Sabi niya kasi large bed. She doesn't know what king size, queen size, double size. I heard she said was king. I heard it's large bed.
All right, and then you said that was just one room for Mom, Mira, and
Her and for 4,800 because there's on the standard room is only 2 packs for 2 person only.
right. So they don't have a family room.
Yeah, not available. Not available. But we can look here.
Starting to wonder if we'll even get a room tonight. Oh, this is that hamburger restaurant.
Let's go to Hunan.
30,000 pesos a night. Sure. Dolphin Bay Resort. We stayed at. Nice place. But I think it might be a bit more expensive. I don't know. Fully booked this place? Wow. That's a lot of booking.
Best Western.
Uh-huh.
Best
Best
Western.
Western. Not looking good, huh guys?
Maybe there's a holiday for Chinese.
Must be something going on, yeah. Everything's booked up. Panguel hasn't always been so popular, but it seems like it's picking up here now. Okay, so it's bringing more people. Yeah, there might.
You see the improvements, right?
Yeah, a lot. So that means something. Yeah, they wouldn't be investing all that if things weren't picking up.
Lockdown. Fresh bullshit.
Fresh line of BS, yeah. Well, everybody's got to stay at home now. Hide from the boogeyman. Huh?
Everyone got to be stuck.
Yeah. So I guess they're going to do live, and I'm going to try to see what I can find.
Online for the...
Yeah, online. Okay.
So I will block the room for you just another night. But
Yeah.
later on, around 12 noon, I would gladly ask you to...
Yeah, no problem.
One so the housekeeper can take.
Sure.
And we'll let you know as soon as room 12 will be cleaned up for you to...
I'm really glad I asked you.
Thank
And I'm
you.
glad you investigated.
Can we leave our stuff?
Yeah, or if you will go out,
Just
you
put
can
our
leave
stuff.
the stuff here. And
Yeah,
you
sure.
don't want to bring it upstairs. Yeah.
Thank you so
No
much,
problem.
Marie.
Maria.
Ah, dang it.
Don't forget me, huh?
No, I don't. It's just I'm always unsure between Marie and Maria.
Maria. But
Like-
anyway, thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Maria.
Well, that's great news, huh, babe?
Yes, it is.
We don't have to drive
Because
around.
I'm so worried. Like,
I know. Are we gonna sleep in the
everything-
pajello?
Even Henan, they only have one room left.
Oh, wow.
Henan, Hayahay, they only have 2 rooms left. Fully booked in Positano. And yes.
I mean, the big sign was
And
that.
J Park is also
Oh,
fully
J
booked.
Park, right? That one. If that's fully booked,
That's big resort
Huge.
also here.
yeah.
Many rooms, but they are fully booked.
Well, it's not huge, but it's big, yeah.
Yeah.
And then this one, Blue Dolphin.
Oh yeah.
The fact that that is full. I mean, that. How many rooms does that have?
Yeah, many.
A lot.
Even the B
B.
resort,
Uh huh.
they're fully booked.
My goodness, what is going on? Something's going on. Anyway, hallelujah and praise the
Maybe.
Lord. We have a room for today.
Maybe people from Cebu, they do vacationing. I don't know.
Maybe, yeah. There must
Or
be a
from
room.
Manila.
Yeah.
Many.
So what is it?
They only have one. You like medicine?
Oui, j'aime bien.
Huh?
Oui, j'aime bien. C'est
I
très
saw
joli.
this in Cebu,
Uh-huh.
but it's color purple.
Mm-hmm.
She said she already have the red one, but I just don't feel like it because the panty is big,
The panty is what?
big,
Big?
like a puffy, like a diaper.
Yeah.
So I just try it on, what she have,
Uh-huh.
and what do you think? Is it?
No, that's good. Yeah. It's a little conservative compared to
It's conservative.
less revealing.
Ah.
So it's a little bit better for like walking around and
Okay.
instead of a thong.
I think I'm more confident with the thong
Yeah.
instead of a diaper.
Welcome to Gleb. Does Gleb mean something in Filipino? Or is it just a name or what?
It's a name.
Maybe the family name who owns this place? And by golly, wouldn't you know it, they found a store that sells stuff. So what now, salon?
Yeah.
And how about you, salon? Yeah? Okay. So right here was Nate's place. It was a house. That's the back wall remaining. But it was a house here. And then in the front, you had a pool table and tables and chairs. Yep. Property value's going up way too high, way too fast. So something like that won't remain on the main road for very long. What happened? What?
There's not available. You know what I was thinking? Tomorrow, let's just enjoy the beach now.
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow morning, we bring Mom and Mira to Alturas, and while we're doing that, they can go and, you know, they can play and stuff.
And also on the beach, it would mess up fresh nails anyway, right?
No, because it's gel.
Well, anyhow, it's a good idea. Yeah. Uh-oh. Tempo coming. So, Mom, are you happy to be at the beach again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Been a while, huh? And we can just walk down from Vanilla Sky Italian restaurant / resort. Yeah, I forgot about this place. Didn't even think to try here. I don't remember. We have been in there before, a long time ago. I don't remember the rates. That would have been a place to check, I guess. No hapon. How much is a family room? Pila.
So rates are for this one for the family room.
5'2", and that's good for 4 people?
Yeah.
Or how many? 6?
Only 4.
4. Breakfast?
Yes, breakfast included.
Okay. All right, we're gonna go to the beach. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
So I think our family room, babe, how much is a family room at Vanilla Sky?
4-8.
4.8?
Yeah.
With breakfast for 4, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But this morning they gave us 5.
Breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So tonight is 4.8?
Yeah. 4-8.
Okay, because there's 5.2.
5-2.
Yeah. Do you remember we did go in there before?
Huh?
We went there before. We looked. We didn't stay there, but we went in there before
Yeah.
to ask about a room or something.
Yeah.
A long time ago. Oh yeah, this used to be free parking, and it was kind of a secret. Everybody would come here. Well, everybody that knew the area would come here to park, and now they've added parking fee. And voila, look at this. Private little cove here. Yeah, this is a beach access that very few, well, that primarily only locals know about. And lots of Filipinos come here and hang out, have a picnic. Huh, normally, okay, high tide. Normally you walk right around these rocks on sand, but go through water today. I've got my wallet in my pocket. No, it's gonna get that deep or not. Yeah, looks like we're gonna make it. This storm wall is new. That house has amazing potential. Looks like stone brick. Right on the beachfront. What a shame. I wonder what the deal is with that, why they're not fixing it up. Yeah, so that's the start of the far west side of the beach. And then this is the side that the local Filipinos tend to hang out more on. Or used to, I don't know. These days, we don't come here as much anymore. Yep, more storm wall there. Hey, babe.
And
Now that you're a cement mixer expert, what do you think about our cement mixer compared to that cement mixer?
that looks like used up.
Yeah, sure does.
Even the wheel, the tire.
Yep, the
But
wheel's
this
bent.
one-
Yeah, these just don't compare to our fancy cement mixer, do they?
There's no more coverage now.
Yeah, and on the front too. They've been abused too much. Yes, no?
They close.
Okay.
It looks good.
It's the Best Western there. Even that one's fully booked as well. Oh, that's where we spent, what, about 2 weeks with Victor. Ciao, babe. J Park, also full.
Excuse me, boss. You have a new text message.
Now, these Pandasol carts are everywhere on the island now. Is that your Pandasol dance? Balloon guy.
Oh, you know what? That kind of oven.
Uh-huh.
That's our school have the same but bigger.
Uh-huh.
That's what we learn how to operate. Not the electric one.
Yeah, the gas one. Yeah. Well, it's much better for baking.
Yeah.
Well, for speed. Thank you, Victor, for the haircut. This is where I always get it done. So which one, babe? Which one?
Which one?
Well, I always get number... I don't know where it
I
is.
sent you the photo.
Okay. Anglao is getting very busy. Wait. Nice chairs, huh? All right, zoom test, parasailing. If you want to violently retch your guts out for only 3,000 pesos, you can. Just do that for a few minutes and you'll be sick as a dog. So that's full zoom in there. Again, this is the iPhone 16 Pro. Thank you so much, Ronan. Okay, now I'm gonna zoom out again. So again, that's 15, that's full zoom. And actually it's not badly pixelated. I mean, you can clearly see the lines of the umbrella, the cords going down to the chair. That's pretty darn good. And then let's zoom out. Right, guys? That's not bad, huh? Can't even really see it. That's how good the zoom is. Okay, another zoom test. There's a parasailing thing way out there, much farther than the last one. Let's see what we can capture. Not even really sure where it is. Yeah, oh, there it is. Okay. There we go. And full zoom.
What is this inside?
Oh, congratulations!
I guess those two just got engaged.
Don't know what this is. We did go there from the rope with a boat.
Let's go, Grandma.
Is this really my baby? Are you sure? Uh-huh. Balut. Now he's asking for it. That's how. Oh boy, the whole crew. Everybody loves Balut except this guy.
Ibalot na to.
That is tree.
Dito na tayo kain. Init.
Saan ba yun? Ibubuksan natin dito sa may ganun.
Okay, okay. Mommy will buy that. His mom.
Ayan.
Nana kay gikuha ato na kay gikuha. Nana kay gikuha ato gali.
Mommy, where's for me?
There, oh.
Ang tagawa mo yan.
Oh.
I told you it's hot.
I want the drink. I did this so hard. It's food.
Why you touch it? Why you touch it like that?
What does mom's look like?
Open. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
You put the shell here, ah.
Okay, I gotta stop filming. Sorry guys, I can't watch that anymore. Oh no, Vincent, my baby. Oh.
Mommy.
Hey, how you doing? yeah.
Ayaw ba talaga mga bao? Ang laki mo naman. Exercise yun. Di ba nakapag-gym ka na?
Does she feel like a bag of rocks or what?
Picture rin ako doon. Wait lang, kunin natin.
I don't think I've done any evening video with the iPhone 16 yet.
Everywhere we go.
So we'll see how the... Dinner? Wow, yeah. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. Thank you for the like, thank you for the subscribe. Thank you again for watching our videos about our family living in the province, and don't forget that the Christian Filipina link is on our description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you again. Click the notification bell so whenever I do live, you can ask me about, or my husband, about solar inverter batteries and stuff, and about living in the Philippines, especially in the province. Thank you, everyone.
1, 2, 3, final countdown, no time to breathe. Get your mind ready, your rhymes better be on to. 掌握的节奏 bar flow， 嘴巴闭上肩膀仰望的特别一样，你们皱眉就是被我逐渐带入。
So rudely.
Great job.
Great job.